Hello, hey guys, it's Technanim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to prevent Adobe from using your work to train their AI. So Adobe is using your work to train their AI. So in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you the steps on how you can opt out and prevent them from using your work to train their AI. So just open your web browser. I'm using Chrome. I've provided the link in the description box. So here, click on your profile, like on your top left corner. So click on manage account. After that, wait for it to load. So welcome to your account. From here, let me just paste in the link. So Adobe is using your work to train their AI. So desktop. So after I just logged in, I found this content analysis. Adobe may analyze your content using techniques such as machine learning, e.g. for pattern recognition, to develop and improve our product and services. If you prefer that Adobe not analyze your file to develop and improve our products and services, you can opt out of content analysis at any time. This setting does not apply in certain limited circumstances, so just turn it off, then you have successfully opted out. So Adobe will no longer use your work to train their AI. So if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Signing out.